is Anjali Kumari. I read in class 4. My topic is Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was a great American inventor. He was born on 11 February 1847 in Milan, Ohio. His father's name was Samuel Edison Jr. and his mother's name was Nancy McNeil Elliot. Thomas Alva Edison was one of the greatest inventors. His most famous invention included the electric lights, bulbs, and phonographs. He held every day on 1,000 patents. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Anushka Kumari. I read in class 4. My topic is the National Science Day. Today 28th February. We are celebrating the National Science Day. We are celebrating to mark the discovery of Raman effect by great Indian scientist. Announced his discovery. For his discovery, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. He was the first Indian and Asian to receive any Nobel Prize to field of science. We are celebrate to create awareness about the importance of science in our daily life. This day was celebrated for first time 28th February, the National Science Day. This day is every year with a new theme. Every year celebrating 28th February, the National Science Day, we can show our respect for Sir C.V. Raman. His contribution is immense and will be respected for always. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Simi Bharat. I am in class 4. Today I am going to speak Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born in 1931 October. He was a great leader. He was a great leader, scientist, and
Thank you.
thank you.
Simi Bright. Simran Tirki.
Good morning to all. My name is Simran Tirki. I read in class 4. My topic is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great scientist. He was the 11th President of India. He was born on 15 October 1931. He worked on missiles. He was known as the Missile Man of India. He loved students a lot. He believed on hard working. He was awarded on 1997.
Listen carefully.
He was dead in 97 July 1997. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Irfan Dumdum. I study in class 5. My topic is National Science Day.
Great.
We all know that National Science Day celebrates 28th February. It celebrates on March the
Thank you. दुर्गावती.
आप सभी को सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम दुर्गावती कुमारी है। मैं कक्षा 5 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस पर सीवी रमन जी के बारे में भाषण प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। सर सीवी रमन भारत के एक महान वैज्ञानिक थे। उनका जन्म 7 नवंबर 1888 को तमिलनाडु के तिरुचिरापल्ली में हुआ था। उनका पूरा नाम सर चंद्रशेखर वेंकट रमन था। उनका पिताजी का नाम चंद्रशेखर अय्यर था तथा उनके माता जी का नाम पार्वती अमला था। उन्हें बचपन से ही विज्ञान में बहुत रुचि थी। उन्होंने 28 फरवरी 1928 को रमन प्रभाव की खोज की थी। इसलिए 28 फरवरी को भारत में राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस मनाया जाता है। उन्होंने इस खोज के लिए 1930 में नोबेल प्राइज पहले एशियाई व्यक्ति थे। उन्होंने 21 नवंबर 1970 में उनकी मृत्यु हुई थी। धन्यवाद।
Good morning all. Good morning to all. I respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Jabsai Dundung. I read in class 3. My topic is National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated on 28th February. It is very important day for us. The discovery of the Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman in 1928 for his discovery. Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930. First, we celebrate Science Day in 1987 in 28 February by the Indian government. The event on schools and colleges. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Nabha Kumari. I read in class 3. In India, 28 February is celebrated as National Science Day. It is celebrated in the memory of one of the greatest scientists, Sir C.V. Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was born in 1888 in Tamil Nadu. His father was a science teacher. He had a deep interest in science since childhood. He completed her education, got a silver or gold medal. He completed research on light. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Nyasa Kumari. I read in class 3. Respected principal, ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My topic is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was the great scientist of India. He was born on 15 October 1931. He was loved children. He was the missile man of India. He was first made the nuclear bomb.
He was all of us Indians are proud to be him. Thank you.
Clap properly. Clap.
सोनी कुमारी है, मैं कक्षा 3 की छात्रा हूँ। मेरा विषय सीवी रमन है। सीवी रमन का पूरा नाम चंद्रशेखर वेंकट रमन है। सीवी रमन का जन्म 7 नवंबर 1888 को हुआ था। सीवी रमन का पिता का नाम चंद्रशेखर आयर और माता का नाम पार्वती अमला था। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to all. My name is Harshit Srivastava. Today I will tell about C.V. Raman. He is famous. C.V. Raman was a famous Indian scientist in India. He was born on 7 November 1888 in Tamil Nadu, India. He is inspired many young scientists in India. He loved studying physics and science. Thank you.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे साथियों। मेरा नाम केशव राज है। मैं कक्षा 3 का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस पर भाषण देने जा रहा हूँ। राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस हर साल 28 फरवरी को मनाया जाता है। इस दिन एक महान वैज्ञानिक सीवी रमन ने महत्वपूर्ण खोज की थी, जिसे रमन प्रभाव कहा जाता है। विज्ञान के मदद से हमें बिजली, पंखा, मोबाइल, कंप्यूटर और दवाइयाँ मिलती है। विज्ञान से हम लोग को नई चीजें जानने की जिज्ञासा रखनी चाहिए। धन्यवाद। सुप्रभात सभी को। मेरा नाम मोहम्मद अहमद है। मैं कक्षा 3 का छात्र हूँ। डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम का जन्म 15 अक्टूबर 1931 को तमिलनाडु के रामेश्वरम में हुआ था। वे एक महान वैज्ञानिक थे और उन्हें भारत के मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया के रूप में जाना जाता है। डॉक्टर कलाम भारत के 11वें राष्ट्रपति थे और उन्होंने ईमानदारी से देश की सेवा की। उन्होंने विंग्स ऑफ फायर जैसी कई पुस्तकें लिखी। धन्यवाद।